So while in Nigeria we're still battling with Opay and Opay agents, people are running helter-skelter because they have taken money from Opay and have not been able to pay. In Kenya, they have revolutionized a lot of transactions, starting from what they call M-Pesa. You can actually buy peanuts and you just pay with your mobile money, and it's just like cashless. The fintech here in Kenya is on another level. You can buy roasted corn and you just pay with your phone. You take the bus and you're paying from your phone. So whether you have an Android phone or you have a normal small phone, it's easy for you to do those transactions. It even goes beyond that. You can actually buy a mobile phone itself and you pay daily. Like you pay daily for some small amounts daily, and at the end of the year or at the end of the term, you have been able to pay for that mobile phone. That was actually something that stood out for me, because I know in a country like mine of 220 something or even more than 220 something million people, having to sell a phone on credit, you might end up not even seeing your own capital itself, the main money that you are buying the phone. But here they are so judicious. They take the phone and daily they pay, and when they default in paying, the phone is locked, and until they are able to offset their debts, they can now unlock the phone again and continue paying until they fully pay for the phone. And it's not only for mobile phones. I've seen even cars. You can pay for some electric cars that you're offsetting your debts, but you pay for it daily until you're able to offset the whole of that thing. That is something that is really unique, and I think a lot of Kenyans have really developed themselves and even developed them businesses because they can be able to afford such grants and such loans, and using the mobile money kind of thing, the fintech, the financial technology that is actually trending. I haven't been in Nigeria for the past 6 years, so I don't know the level at which it is right now, but I know of certain that there are some things that even if they are functional, they might not really function properly there back in Nigeria because of not just the size, because we're very large actually. Maybe you can put it in your own terms, but do you think if it is going to work in Nigeria, and how do you think it's actually going to work? So that's another cultural shock, to find that things really work smoothly in terms of financial angle and using the financial technology, fintech,